Look, y'all, look at them fuel prices. This is in PA. Diesel is $3.65, but y'all already know that TAs are pretty much the highest place to fuel at anyway, but gotta get that country pride. That's the only reason I come here, is for the country pride, because I always get that fried fish meal, yeah, with mashed potatoes and gravy. Ooh, with some string beans, all in the salad bar, with the soup. Ooh. Oh man, melt washing. I need to get my truck washed. Definitely need to get that. The only reason I'm walking around here because I'm trying to show y'all the front of this TA. This is here in PA. So this is like the one that Truck and Truth was at. But like, if you go on Truck and Truth's YouTube page, on some of his videos, you'll see the same, like you'll see this. So I'm guessing this must was the TA he was at when he filmed, I guess this is intro. So I just thought I'd show y'all that, because I'm like, oh wow, I seen that on Truck and Truth's channel. So yeah, come on, let's go inside and see what the country pride look like. But the sister about to grub a dub. Got to fill my belly with the fish meal. Ooh wee. Come on, let's look at the posters. Let me see. Eat, earn, save. Dine 6 times and your 7th meal is free. Join today. Oh, I'm gonna have to write this down. I'm glad I'm recording. As much as I come here, I should be getting a lot of discounts. Oh, I love flowers, y'all. Like my man, if you're listening, I love roses and dillies. So be romantic and give me a flower. Thank you. Yep, but I don't like those. I'm about to grub a dub. Yes. Alright, y'all. I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. So deuces.